Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will cover cloud computing and more so cloud computing in BI. Cloud computing is a relatively new computing system where the data storage and computing power are all actively accessed on the internet. The advantage of cloud computing include cost reduction. In this case, the cost of buying new machines and servers is reduced. Also, there is device independence. Another advantage is low maintenance cost. There is also high performance, availability of resources, scalability and elasticity, and finally, security due to the centralized data and resources. And in this case, while we are covering BI on cloud, it's important to notice that there are several types of services available, that is service models. And the first one is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. This model will be covered later on in our live session. And in this case, I would just like to introduce you to some of the BI tools that are cloud-based. The first one is Amazon Quicksight. Amazon Quicksight is offered by Amazon Web Services, which is the largely used cloud service in the world. Then we have Looker Studio. Looker Studio is a service by Google. We'll also look at Google Colab, which is a cloud-based service for Python and Jupyter Notebook.